Yes, you are welcome to another episode on how to create uh, a deadly, more replicated computer virus in Notepad. In this tutorial, we shall be taking you through how this virus works, and the disclaimer message is that this virus is purposely for educational purpose. It means that if you use this virus for any illegal activities, you have your own uh, part to play. So you have your own problem to handle. I am going to take you through how to create this virus purposely because of educational uh, issues. So without wasting my time, let's get started. Now you go to either your start menu and look for Notepad, or you can just search type here Notepad. So Notepad will appear here. Then you double click to open. Okay, now that the Notepad is open, let's begin to structure this virus. First of all, you want to start. Replicated viruses are basically full of scripts that will be running through your computer, preventing you from operating it. It makes the computer run slow, and it also prevents you from using the computer to do anything. You can't run any application on it. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we are setting set. Yes, or you need to script dot create. We want to say that what we are creating is an object. That's the virus, of course. So script cell. Okay, so now you have to already remember that in coding, if you miss one step, you may have yourself to be blamed. So here you close that. Okay, now we want to set this that when the virus is running, uh, the user will not be able to run in application. So we are going to say wscript.sleep. So all the functionality of your application will sleep. So as for this number, you can put any number there. Okay. So now we want to also send this virus script. So by saying send keys, then you cap lock. So we want the cap locks to also be running through this part of the scripts. So cap lock, and you close this. What are we going to do next? Okay, so now let's remember to close this. Good. Now we are going to also make sure that as the scripts are running, there will be cap lock as part of the scripts. So let's say send keys non-block. Okay, so what are we doing next? So let's say, okay, now this virus is not. We now want to put some dangerous code in here that will run through your app the moment the virus gets into your computer. So I'm going to put this send keys. Okay, this is what I want to see when the virus is being launched. I want to intentionally say, oh, I am a very, very beautiful lady who is looking for a husband to marry. now I want to code something here. I want to code this virus, this statement. We open our first code. So now we want to say that okay, so we are giving others to a virus. When I am launched, in the computer, stop all applications from running. Good. So what we are telling this is that when this virus is being launched, you need to make sure everything looking for sorry. Okay, so here we have closed our tag. So let's open another tag. Okay, so we also want the virus to people should not be able to delete the virus. So this is where we're going to can be deleted. Be deleted by anyone. So keep running through all applications. Okay, so let's close this tag. Another one we want to say is that when we need to now do some coding here. Let's open another tag and put this code in there. See out. So those of you who have basic knowledge in coding will understand C out, especially C++. C out means screen out this. So C out all scripts in a replicated format. So we want the value to be replicated in a replicated format. Okay, so we want the virus as it replicates. It should be stagnant on the screen. Okay, so let's close this tag. Okay, open another one. Okay, so we want the virus to be stagnant. So stack dot virus the desktop. Close the stack. Okay, so another thing we want the virus to do is that good. Now remember that when you are running the virus, people may want to up their competency whether it was running. Okay, keep running. Even when computer is restarted. Load the stack. Good. Okay, so now Let's put some code in here. RSRC hack worms trigger duplicated values. Okay, good. Now next thing, what are we going to say? We want the virus to be scrolling. You see the script scrolling like a scroller. So let's say sense keys. So let's put a scroll key here. Okay. So scroll lock. Good. Scroll lock. Now we want to loop all this coding in the system. So let's say loop. So those of you who have done coding will understand what looping means. So we have loop all this coding. Wow, so we are done. Let's see whether there are some errors. Okay. So now, remember that we have some extension basically for viruses. Example, we have the BAT, we have the VBS. So we are going to save this value in the VBS. So save as. Okay, so I want to save the virus in a way that will be attracting people to view the to try and run the application. So let's say payment strings allowance. So let's say SDS allowance .vbs. Good. So when you do this, people want to open the document and see, hey, when are they paying strings allowance? Or better still, you can save it for those who are on payroll. You can say payroll.vbs. So and you save. Good. Our barrel has been saved. Now let's go and see. Alright, so I'm trying to see. Oh, look at our virus here. Payroll. So if I run this virus, it's going to spoil a lot of things. Well, if you want to be sure whether the virus works or not, just save it on your desktop. Observe that for 30 seconds. It's going to replicate numerously and you cannot run any application. When you try to run any application, the virus will keep running and you cannot stop it. So basically that is how this virus works. Okay, so I will leave a description below. So in our description, you can try and give me a chat on my email so in case you have a question to ask or anything concerning that. But always remember that this tutorial is basically for educational purposes. I don't intend to, harm people's computers, but sometimes you need to defend yourself. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to help your friends to also be able to create a virus to protect themselves and to harm their enemies in case they try to disturb them. So thank you very much for watching. Just remember to subscribe. Subscribe. All the best.